Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we got a new fridge, and this is the old one. Broke and ice overfroze it. But basically we took out one of the layers somewhere. It's like one of those. But basically the ice thing broke when it was working. So we gotta try to get all this ice out. All right. Oh, ow, it's cold. Look at all that ice in there. All right. So I've got that. I don't know. Camera lady, I need you. All right, that hurt my hands a lot. This is, I have to glue it. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Bye.